Welcome to my channel. Deco Mesh WiFi, no internet issues solved easily. 1. Restart your Deco devices, turn off all Deco units and modem. Wait 1 minute, then turn them back on properly. This fixes temporary internet issues. 2. Check modem connection, make sure the Ethernet cable is connected tightly between the modem and main Deco unit. Loose cables often cause no internet errors. 3. Verify internet from modem, connect a laptop directly to the modem. If internet still does not work, the problem is from your ISP connection. 4. Reboot the modem, unplug the modem power cable for 60 seconds. Plug it back in and wait until all lights become stable. 5. Check Deco app status. Open the TP-Link Deco app and check whether the Deco system shows online or disconnected. 6. Update Deco firmware. Go to the Deco app settings and install the latest firmware update. Updates improve network stability and fix bugs. 7. Move Deco units closer. If satellite Deco units are too far away, internet may stop working. Keep them in open areas with better signal range. 8. Disable VPN or parental controls. Sometimes VPN settings or parental control filters block internet access. Turn them off temporarily and test the connection again. 9. Reset network settings. In the Deco app, remove the network and set it up again carefully. Use the correct Wi-Fi name and password. 10. Factory reset Deco. Press and hold the reset button on the Deco unit for about 10 seconds. Reconfigure the mesh system from the beginning to solve major issues. Thanks for watching.